Yo, Bunny here people, what's up? So if you love the content we put up here on BLA Productions, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell to get notifications for whenever I upload to the channel. And once again, thank you for 10,000 subscribers. Enjoy the video.
Hello! Hi! Hello everybody. This is Monique Ellis, aka Money Q, and I'm here representing for BLA News! Yes. Oh, I forgot to say myself, man. Yes. Welcome. And as you can see, me try highlight. Me try highlight my friend Khadija. She's a makeup artist and she did my makeup. So if you don't want to link somebody for carnival makeup, wanna link up. Me always put the link down below. You can always click it and check her out on Instagram. Her name is Khadija Mattis. Yes, I mean not just big up myself because I'm not selfish. But anyways, I gotta kick things off with e-news today. And I'm gonna start off international because we're something not local. BLA not local alone. Once it have to do with news, entertainment, we're gonna talk about BLA. Jussie Smollett. Jussie Smollett. I don't know what to do with that little piece and tail boy. God no. I don't know what to say about Jussie Smollett. Because Jussie is a big empire actor. Or actress. If you don't know what I mean. But he's a big empire actor. And him make a fool of himself. How on earth if it be big empire with so much of Jamaicans watch and watch worldwide? How empire big? And you gonna allegedly pay $3,500, pay 2 big chunks somebody to beat up you? How on earth is that possible? Why would you do something like that, Jussie? Jussie, you need to wake up and smell the roses. Apparently you won't be able to smell the roses for probably 1 to 3 years now, because no, you probably got jail allegedly and served probably 1 to 3 years allegedly. You get what I say? Because immaturity and because your head not upon your body. Jussie Smollett, you cannot do them stuff there. I know say you gonna watch it, you know. I know say you gonna watch it and you gonna see it. You're a big actor and yet still you mess up. How on earth 2 chang big body man fi come beat you up and you know make them bust one job on your face? In a real. By the end of the day, I have to give you a clap. Because you go up on a show and you have an interview and you never bust by yourself. You never bust by yourself. I mean, so you keep your composure. You kept it really well. And it was amazing because I saw the interview and you had even tears because you were saying that persons dealing with you like you were the victim. Like you weren't the victim. Sorry. Like you weren't the victim. You're not the victim. You are not the victim. So you need to, I think you need to get some wake up. You need to go into the jail. Come in and what? I want to go to Empire. No, please let me get Jussie part. Please. Let me get Jussie part. Let me take it. Let me act it out well for Empire. Because him no want it. Because you want more pay. So you stage your hate crime and stuff just because you want pay. You make gay look like idiots. How it gonna look pan the gay world now? You tell me now, that's not right. If you go on a jail, man, I'm upset by the news here. I mean, it is so disappointing. Like, what that's my part. Because I'm upset for him. Because you just lose your work. 2 seasons left. 2 episodes left in a season and them cut you out of the episode. Because you don't have no upstairs. But you know what? I'm so pissed off. I'm so pissed off by his actions. I don't even want to talk about it anymore. I am too pissed off. Okay, so Sanjay, we're gonna move along. Moving right along to the Kardashians. And I'm not really excited about Kardashians because when me hear about Kardashians, me think about who are. Me think about sex tape. Me think about big body. Me think about breasts. Me think about false news. Me think about billionaire. Me think about pretty. Me think about madness. Kanye. But me means my head gone all over the place. So me think about Kardashians. Yeah, that's yeah. And that's with the whole news with the Kardashians. No, I mean Tristan cheating on Khloe with Kylie's best friend, Jordan Woods. Yes, with Kylie's best friend Jordan Woods. And to be honest with you, no, me don't know if it's staged. Me don't know if it's real. Me don't know what to believe with the whole Kylie Jenner, with the whole Jenner and Kardashian family. I mean, then we do anything, you know. Then we do anything. Then we all. Yeah, and that's what I mean. I said, then we do anything for the hype and them something. So I don't know what to believe. But if it is true, I am really, really sorry for Khloe. Because me genuinely kind of like Khloe. I don't know her personally, but I really like her. And everybody deserves love. And me feel it for Khloe. Me not tell you no lie. Me feel it for her. And it's alleged that Jordan Woods and Kylie don't live together anymore. They were best friends. They live together. So it's reported that Tristan and Jordan Woods were lovey-dovey, huggy-doggy at a party. So I mean, after it was Tristan's party, so they were seeing lovey-dovey and stuff like that. So I think probably that lead everything with the allegations and everything. So they must say then dugu and stuff, which I don't know if it's true and I don't know if it's lie, but I am just doing my job by reporting it. You understand what I'm saying? Yes. So I am just doing my job, and if it's not true, I mean say I want them to be happy, whether it's true or not. But I mean, we've seen Jordan Woods once, and she were at her Lash premiere party, and she looked okay. She looked okay to me. I've seen her on the news, not in a real life. I can't attend them today, but them not live together anymore. Kylie and Jordan reportedly them stop follow each other. So let's watch the news. Let us see what will take place. Alright, we're gonna go local now. We're gonna go local, and the news here is massive. The news here of him not pan. Yes, because this news is huge. Spice. I mean, Spice, I am super, and I mean, it's little me telling you this. I am super proud of you and the lady that you've become. Spice. No, Spice from UTECH with the whole forum and something. Why you make the people in my ball to you, so girl? Spice, you have stop balling some man. Spice, you make the people in my ball. Boy, girl, everybody a ball, and I tell you how them feel because them did black shame. Yes, black shame. Them did black shame because how them grow up. People used to say them black and ugly and black and this. Everything that is bad we associate black with. But I think me kind of get over it with the whole black thing. Black and ugly, or you're black and you don't look good, or anything over it. But I mean, Spice is doing a really good job. Some persons would say, oh, excuse me, Sanjay, don't edit that out. Guys, it's just real as it gets. We're not pretend around here. We are trying to be with self. Oh my mic. We are trying to be with self. And I mean, we have to big up Spice all the time. Even if she's pretending, it's alleged. People love talk because them say she had the things with camera and this. But I don't care. Whatever she's doing a damn good job. I want Spice to big up herself if she ever see this. I want you to big up yourself. Big up your nice, clean self, because you're a living example. And I mean, Spice is in Gambia. Spice! You keep on making history. And I am truly proud of you. You know why I'm proud of you? Because you're the first. I'm gonna knock pan for this. You know why I'm gonna knock pan? Because you're the first female artist from Jamaica, from Jamdong, from the inner city, fi ever touch Gambia fi go perform. Knock pan for your Spice. You deserve it. How far you come from? You know where you come from? Me's a girl, me no fight over man. From a little bit of just so much son. This a girl only want give one. After that it turn full time. Let's get the farm. Okay? No fight over man. And everybody knows that we a name brand. Hey! That. Alright, Spice, big up yourself. And we're done. We're done. Alright. And then that's it. Time. I mean, that's it for me news, guys. That's it. I hope you enjoyed every aspect of it. I hope you had fun watching it. I hope it wasn't boring for you, because I enjoyed myself. And we want to big up Bunny Allen. He's right there. He's the videographer, he's the producer, he's the director, he's everybody. So big up Bunny and him nice clean self and him 72 teeth that we have in our head. Big up Khadija Mattis, who is my makeup artist, courtesy of Spice, with the whole blue thing. Yes, because Spice invent blue. Him copyright blue at everybody. So big up Khadija Mattis, who is the makeup artist. Big up myself. We can't do this now. Big up myself. Big up your nice clean self, Monique. Big up your nice clean self. Big up on yourself. Big up Karen Davis, who is always watching, who is always commenting. And big up uno, please comment below, right down there, so uno comment down there, so uno don't forget to subscribe. Uno don't just watch, uno can just click the subscribe button. And share. We appreciate you guys for watching. And if you have any ideas as to what you guys would like to hear, or what you guys would like us to talk about, comments below. Alright, peace out. Me is a girl, me no fight over man. I'm tired.